move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Victoria, local, and long-distance movers near me. The words that best describe 3 movers are professional, reliable, affordable, and friendly. It is your go-to moving company for your residential or commercial move to or from Victoria, BC. The team understands just how stressful any move, be it local, long-distance, commercial, or residential, can be, and does everything possible to make it as flawless as possible. All you need to do is contact us for a survey of what needs moving and a free quote. We cannot offer low-cost services, but we can guarantee openness and consistency. We also provide free quotations to guarantee that you get the most bang for your buck. We charge per mile for long-distance travels. We'll let you know as soon as we've completed our analysis, so you have ample time to prepare. Make a reservation with us immediately for the finest moving experience possible. A local move is a short distance that would be anything between 50 and 100 miles. Some homeowners assume that it would be cheaper to hire a local trucking company because of the short distance than a professionally accredited moving company. Cheap can sometimes be expensive, especially if what needs moved is fragile or heavy. A professionally trained mover has the experience to handle every item safely while it's on transit. During the packing period, loading, unloading, and unpacking, 3 Movers is a reputable Victoria, BC-based moving company that offers exceptional local moving services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Victoria moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.